Hello, this is Ashi from Crafting with Ashi and welcome to this video. This is the card we're making today. It's really simple and sweet, I think, so let's get started. We're going to be using the stamp set here called Hooray to You, and I really love this set. I'm using just this big balloon that says happy birthday and these little flowers here as well. So I've got everything set up in my Stamparatus, and today, instead of stamping with our stamp pads, we're going to be stamping with our markers. So these are the in-colour markers, the Stampin' Right in-colour markers, and you get them as a pack here of the 5 in-colours, and we're going to be using Misty Moonlight and, well, Magenta Madness, and then yes, Misty Moonlight. So you can take those two out, but you see you get actually, it's a nice starter pack because you get the pink, the blue, this little brown, green and yellow, so it's a really good starter pack if you don't want to invest in our stamp pads and you just want to have something simple. This gives you lots of colours easily. So now we're just literally going to colour our stamp in using our markers. So let's just move this here, and I'm just going to take the marker to my stamp like this, and I'm just going to put the ink down, and I'm just being careful not to ink up the sentiment because we want that in a different colour. If you want it in the same colour, then by all means just ink it up as well, and you're just going to keep going all the way around. Okay, so once you've got all the colour down, I'm just going to do the one layer first, the pink. You're just going to huff on it to make sure the ink is rejuvenated. Now I haven't put my magnet in here, so let me just quickly do that to hold my paper, and it's only me using these stamps, so it's not going to contaminate anything or anyone, so don't worry about that. Give it a good press down, and you can see I haven't caught the side here, so just press it down better. Okay, so that's not too bad. I'm going to clean this off now. It doesn't look very good yet because we haven't put the sentiment in yet. I'm going to clean this off using my simple chamois. Okay, so now we're going to go in with our Misty Moonlight and just ink up our sentiment. So same as before, just going to huff on it. Then close the Stamparatus. And there we go. Now I'm going to show you, we haven't done our tails yet, so we're going to just give us one more inking, and then we're going to do our tails, and then down again, give it a nice press. There we go, lovely. So now I'm just going to set that aside. I'm going to bring in my Stampin' Chamois just to give us a little bit of a clean. Now I can see from my birth that I haven't caught it very well, so all I'm going to do, I'm going to show you here, if you stamp and you don't catch things very well, it's not the end of the world. I'm just going to take my marker in the matching colour, and I don't mind doing this, maybe you find this, but I actually enjoy things like this, and I'm just going to go over all the lettering with my marker, just gently like this, just to darken it up a little bit. Okay, so I coloured just, as you can see with the marker, I just went over the lettering, and I think it looks pretty good. So now I'm going to take these little stamps, which are these little flowers, I'm going to use my Magenta Madness again, and I'm just going to ink them up quickly, and I'm just going to stamp in all 4 corners. So there we go. So now what I'm going to do is stick this down to our card base. So I don't think I told you, this Whisper White measures 14.35 centimetres by 10 centimetres. And I've got a Misty Moonlight card base. This is a standard A6 card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And I'm just going to stick this down one to the other, a bit like that. And then finishing touches, I've got some of our rhinestones here. And I'm just going to put one here at the centre of the bow, and then some more here at the centres of these little flowers here, so that I have 5 in total. There we go. Okay, so they're my 2 cards. I hope you like it. I think they're lovely and fun and just so pretty. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the project. If you did, I'd be grateful if you would give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want any information about this project, the supply list, my online shop, etc., it's all in the description box below, including my social media links and my new Facebook group. So thank you once again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!